Manipur nga marang kaina puthokpa ngamlaklabasu konadabana Mapaan Lamdagi nga Leiraga Chariba si Kokhan-Naba Hotnasi haina Manipur gi Governor Bhalla na fongdokre Masir Hatchery amadi freshwater ecology and sustainable aquaculture fisha haiba laboratory among asi Manipur University ki campus ta hangdokre Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor amasung ICAR CICFR Director Bhimtaga Punna Sinduna University asige auditorium na pangthokiba laboratory hangdokpagi thoramda Fisheries Science ICAR New Delhi ki Deputy Director General Dr. Joy Krishna Jena National Fisheries Development Board NFDB Hyderabad ki Chief Executive Vijay Kumar Behra, ICAR Central Institute of Coal Water Fisheries Research, Bhimtal ke Director Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey, Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendro Susarukyaki, Governor Bhalla na mahaki warolda, makata na fungdokibada, nga haibasi lebak asigi community kayagi culture, tradition amasung religion gi thabak thoram singda adumak thadok naba yadana sizinaduna lakli Manipur da natana Northeast farmer kaya thoraktuna nga puthokpagi chang asi chahi khudingi hengathanba ngamlaklabasu demand gi chang wangbana Mapalamdagi pusilakpa nga sing chanari amaromda ngami singna infrastructure ge awatpa thengnaba mathok taba changda puthokpa ngamdaba Yonfamgi awaba laiba kaya asina yamna chawna khudong chadaba nangbata natana makhoigi pukning sonthanabagi maram ama oiri haiki nga puthokliba miyoi singna department amasung experts singa punna thabak tawminaduna ngagi pothok hena marang kaina puthoknaba hotnasi amadi Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sambada Yojana scheme gi khudong chabasu lawshi haina governor na Makhataki Nasigi Thauramadu Manung Channa University Asigi Life Science Zoology Department ki Mahiro Shingna Pothokpa Potlam Singh Exhibition Stall Amasu Hangdoktuna Utki Tongan ba District Ahumdagi Khangatlaba Nga Pothokliba Miyoi Ahumda Certificate Piduna Ikai Khumnabaga Loinana University Asina Pothokpa Chahige Calendar Amadi Lyric Amasu Funki
Today we are gathered not only to discuss the fisheries prospects in Northeast but also to recognize significance of Hasir, a particular fish. Of course everyone, all of you know better than this thing. So this newly inaugurated hatchery here at Manipur University is a beacon of hope and progress. It will not only support conservation but also contribute to ecotourism and sports fisheries. Additionally, it will serve as a center for research, training and demonstration. I'm sure our farmers and our people in the catchment areas will be benefited. And it will definitely equip students with better knowledge and skills required for the sustainable development of fisheries. As we move forward, I urge all stakeholders, academicians, scientists, policymakers, and fish farmers to collaborate and innovate. Let's work together to protect our aquatic resources while ensuring economic prosperity for the people of Manipur and the Northeast region.